So hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing with you a FOSSEE internship which is being released by IIT Bombay. So friends, if you don't know what is FOSSEE, FOSSEE is actually an open source group in IIT Bombay. There are many groups in IIT Bombay who are basically working on various projects from industry, and FOSSEE is one such group which basically works with open source projects, open source contribution. So the FOSSEE group of IIT Bombay has recently published a summer internship for 6 to 8 weeks. Okay friends, so this internship, due to, as you know, due to present situation, COVID situation, this internship will happen online only. So come, let us discuss this internship. So friends, I'll be sharing with you this link of internship in the description box. You can go and visit, and let's briefly discuss about this internship, friends. So in this registration has opened on 17th April, as you can see, and it will close on 5th. You just have to go and fill a Google form. I think this form you have to fill. Okay, so once it is done, registration is done, you have to start with the submission. So friends, what is submission here means is there are two things in this. First, you have to do registration and then submission. Submission is there are some tasks given, so you have to go, you have to complete those tasks, and you have to submit those tasks before 15th of May. So two dates you have to remember: 5th May is registration closing and 15th May is your submission of task. So let's discuss what are the topics under which you have to submit the task. So friends, these are projects which are available with FOSSEE this year. Total 5 projects. You have to choose one and you have to make the submission for the task which has been given. So let's discuss one by one. Okay, so first is chemical process simulation. Basically, let's click on this screening task. So this is actually, there are 2 screening tasks. You can choose any one of them, and you can learn also. They have given some resources also regarding 2 softwares. One is Open Modelica and other is DUSIM. So friends, these softwares are basically used for, Open Modelica is used for modeling, and DUSIM is basically used in chemical engineering branch. So like, if you are interested in these softwares or in these tasks, you can go ahead. You have to completely read what they have given, what all you have to do, and you have to submit those tasks. So yeah, this is one of the tasks. Other is eSIM on cloud. We'll go on this. This is actually, they have given this is, I think, more or less related with people of electrical and electronics engineering. So yes, you can go through this. This is what I have read is eSIM is electronic circuit simulation, and some people last year have developed this during the pandemic time, and they want these things to get modified more. You can go ahead and read this screening task. And third is Arduino on cloud. This is also basically the task which they have given for Arduino on cloud. Is there are some 7 or 8 tasks. If you will go to this screening task, you all might be knowing Arduino is a microcontroller. So these tasks they have given. So if you are interested, and if you are an electronic guy, or even if you are a computer science guy and you are interested in these kind of sensors and electronic equipments, you can go ahead with this task. But the next is this focal is not something technical. It is related with creation of animations and designing and graphics using these open source tools. So if you are a person who is interested in graphics and all, they can go ahead with this. Okay, as you can see, they have given 2 tasks: graphics screening task and animation screening task. And the last one is again eSIM ka electronic circuit simulation using NDHL feature. This is also, I think, for electrical and electronics guy. You can read and go ahead with these. So friends, this was all about the FOSSEE internship which they have released. Please note down the dates, and if you are interested in these softwares, please complete screening task they are not very hard in, even though they have given you choices in task also. Like in cloud simulation they have given 2 tasks, and in 2 also you have to choose only one. Like in Arduino they have given 7-8 tasks and you have to choose. And also apart from this they have given resources from where you can learn, and their IIT Bombay themselves are having an open tutorial. You can go and search for tutorials. Spoken tutorials, IITB themselves has these spoken tutorials, and these are made by Fossey team only, if you can see over here. And there are many videos on whatever topics they have given, so you can go and learn from them also. So yes friends, don't miss this chance. This is a very good opportunity to work with Fossey team in IIT Bombay. And the good thing is this time you have to work remotely, so you don't have to travel and all. So yes friends, thank you. If you like this video, please please share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please do connect me on LinkedIn. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you. Bye bye.